Assalamu alaikum, Ahmed here. Welcome to the third video lecture of class 4 maths. The first problem I'll be solving it here on board. The rest of them are for homework. If you find them difficult or don't understand them, leave a comment below YouTube video or seek guidance from your parents or your tutors. Now the first statement says a leaking tap wastes 3750 milliliter of water in 1 hour. How much water will be wasted in a day? Now the first statement says the water wasted in an hour is equal to 3750 milliliter. We have to find the total water that is wasted in a day. So total hours in a day are 24, so the water wasted in a day will be 3750 milliliter multiplies 24. If we multiply them here, 3750 multiplies 24. 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20, 2 will be carried on 7, 5 7 28, 7 4s are 28 and 2 makes 30, 0 and 3 will be carried, 4 3s are 12 and 15. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10, 1 will be carried here, 2 7s are 14 and 1 makes 15, 1 will be carried here, 2 3s are 6 and 1 7. So 0 0 0 5 and 5 makes 10. 0 here and 1 carry, 7 and 1 8 and 1 makes 9. So the answer is 90,000 milliliter water will be wasted in a day. So our answer is 90,000 milliliter water will be wasted in a day. These questions will be solved on your neat notebooks. Prepare pages accordingly with neat handwriting, and until next video, Allah Hafiz.